Hello everyone, this is Rachel from XINSANXING Lighting Company. We are lighting manufacturing vendor with more than 15 years experience. As you can see, the heroine of today's video is by my side. And today we will not introduce the specific details of this light for you. Before we go into our topic, let's look at some pictures.
乱世骄傲的脸庞，时光中不掉的冰化妆，是你，是你，渗透的青春都是你。
As you can see, this is a solar light, and maybe many people will wonder how to better match the solar light. I purchased it into some exact things. Next, let's take a look at how to integrate this product into the scene. Presumably, after watching this, everyone can roughly understand how to integrate our solar light into the scene. So, see you next time!